Happy Saturday! Ayan, nandito ako ngayon sa dropshipping office namin here in Manila. And currently, ayan, nakapark na ako. At nakakagulat kasi kahit Saturday, grabe napaka-traffic guys. So kung wala naman kayong gagawin sa labas, it's best to just stay at home. So for today, kukuha ako ulit ng 1 week na kinita ko out of my dropshipping business. So kung gusto nyo sumama, then just tune into this video. Yung 1 week na earnings ko for my dropshipping business and I got 58,140 pesos. Again, kinita ko po ito in just 1 week. And of course, since it's a dropshipping business, I'm just doing this at home. Online lang po siya. So if you're also looking for a business na kaya niyo pong magawa wherever you are, from home, online, na sobrang manageable at pwede niyo pong gawin at your most convenient time, just do message me. Ako pong bahala na mag-explain sa inyo at ako na rin pong bahala magturo sa inyo para maging successful din kayo dito sa dropshipping business na ginagawa ko. I'll see you in my inbox.